Hi guys, Ultimate Turtle here. I'm just kidding. Hi guys, Ultimate Turtle here with another video. Today I'm doing a toy review on Avengers Endgame. I got my tickets ready. I got my suit. I gotta spend money on Mom, Dad, my brother, Godzilla, and more. Since it's my money and I'm going to Gold Lounge, so bruh. And today, someone that rises up to Sleeping Beauty. It's Black Widow in a spacesuit. Alright, so this is Black Widow in a spacesuit. Not a big fan of the face though, because look, not a big fan of the face. She smells weird, but yeah, I'm not a big fan, but she looks pretty good. I don't like her face, but she looks pretty good. So there's the bottom. There's the card. There's the A for Avengers. It should be like, pew. Wait. One sec, guys. I'll get Jessie to punch her. I'll get her to punch Jessie. Well, that worked. And I've also got this one I just dropped on the floor. Why do I keep dropping stuff on the floor? Okay.
I always hit my mark. Black Widow in position. Firing stingers. I always hit my mark. Black Widow in position. Firing stingers.
Hee, that's cool. Anyway, so yeah, this is my toy review. Click the like or subscribe. Do not press dislike. Because I'll dislike you and I'll keep buying more Avengers Endgame. Toodles, Black Widow. Bye, guys. Bye.